Pretty little black skin girl. Oh, yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl that's in chocolate. So today I'll be adventuring, I don't know if that's a word, the city of swords. So I'll be going to the thrift store first to just take a look. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything, and then after I'll be going to the Sword Sealife Center. So guys, let's go. Let's see what's up guys.
They're moving, so they have a 50% sale on everything. So you have all your CDs,
Books? Oh yeah, I need a book. Hi.
and then ear stuff.
Hi, good day. It's like,
Jackets, sweaters.
oh, shoes.
I don't think they're gonna sell a drawers.
$9. Okay, maybe come down here to shop.
$19.99 is half off, so you know what that means.
Oh, he's off of it. But how do they like sell shorts in this weather? Okay, guys. So you just see me coming from the thrift store. I didn't really want anything there, but I'm at this restaurant called Chattermark. I'm gonna go in there and try to get some lunch before I go to the Sealife Center. So let's go.
Welcome to Chattermark, table for one.
Yes.
Got you. Follow me.
Okay.
How we doing?
I'm fine. I'm just here chilling.
Sit right here.
Thank you.
Here's our menu. Here's your tableware. And I'll get you some water to get you started, okay?
Thank you. Wow, that was a grand entry. So on the menu you have appetizers are fries and dipping sauce, soup and salad, comfort food, burgers, fish and chips. You have wine, drinks, beers. In America, I can't drink. You have to be 21 and older to drink. Let me show you guys the menu.
So here's your water. And what can I get you?
Okay, I'm still scanning through the menu, but I'll call you when I'm ready, okay?
All right, you take your time, honey.
Thank you. She's so cool. I'm ready to order.
Okay.
Can I get the BYO burger, please?
Okay, with fries?
Yes.
Or would you like a side of grilled cheese?
Grilled cheese, yeah. Grilled cheese too, with
Okay.
fries.
And what would
okay?
you like to drink? We have
Just water.
Just water?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'll get you that.
Thank
right
you. She's so cool. So the place is so beautiful. I'm gonna give you guys a scan of the place, and then we're gonna head off to the Sealife Center. So guys, this was the food. It was really nice. Fries and the BOY burger. Guys, we have just reached the Alaska Sealife Center. It's so beautiful outside. It's so nice. Okay, good. We see the signs that it is open. So I'm here with my friend Renee. Hello. So my phone looks so nice. My phone quality just looks so good. Look at it. It looks so good today. So we're going in. Nice. Hello. Hi, good day. Guys, did I tell you guys that I hate elevators? Well, yes, I do hate elevators. It's so nice. Oh, elevator. And we're here.
Sea salt.
These are some little fishes. Wow. Hi, hi. Let me get some of that exercise.
Your belly is nice and warm. And your neck is really warm. See? Look at my next team. Look at my next team.
How are y'all?
You call me Ariel?
Yeah. Everything in here you can touch.
I can touch?
Yeah.
Don't put your
Yeah.
mouth on
You can
it.
touch anything in here. Just do like 1 or 2 finger touches. And just don't try to pick anything up or take them home.
Okay.
Yeah, you can touch
Suppose
anything.
he touched me. What? This is alive?
Yeah, that's alive. That's a crimson anemone.
I can touch it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
The water's so cold.
Yeah, the water's really cold. The water's about like 43 degrees right now.
It's like I'm not feeling it. So I'm so sorry about
That's alright. It's like very sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, these anemones, when they're like trying to stick to you like that, so if you have them stick to you, you can pull away. That's them.
Starfish, can't touch the one I want to touch it.
You definitely should.
We can touch it?
Yeah. Touch them all.
Come on, girl, come touch it with me now.
You can touch this one. This one's a rose star. It's very pretty.
Touch it with me. Come on, touch it with me. Why don't you see him time with me, little girl? Friend him, some other girl.
Cucumbers in here?
We can't touch it.
Yes, you can. If you
Spiky?
if you put your finger down in between the spines, they'll give you a little hug.
Who them people over here, so? We're not awful. Them big little fish, the man. Them big fish, the girl. Closer. Hey. Oh, this looks like the rock. It's a black prickle back.
Sea pan. Oh, there's sea pans, babe. Sea pan. They blank them.
Wow.
I become holiday area.
Yeah, come here, look. That's why. So guys, we're at the overlook. It's so cold here, but I'm adjusting. So beautiful. Come.
So we're going back downstairs. So we're trying to see all the seagulls. Oh my god, this is so light. Wow.
What is this blossom?
Oh.
More weird out?
Right there that keeps coming by. If you just hang out like right there,
Yeah.
really calmly, he probably will come say hi eventually.
Really?
Yeah.
Come talk.
He really likes it.
Wow. I talk. She wants to find it, I guess. Yay, go talk. So what outside in there?
Oh, smoke shit.
Look when they crowd there.
Flashlight.
What you doing on this? Hey, Biggie. What now? You can curry this. Friday party. Yeah, see this. Speaking of, what about the name of the fish? Oh, I read this over there. Yeah, one read it up there, so. What kind of fish them here? Grunts? Oh. Okay, so guys, we're gonna take photos. Our top to start. Photo. So, come hold the camera for me, baby girl. Hold the camera for me. Okay. Nice, nice. We're gonna go in the souvenir store to look if we can find something that is affordable, even though we know it's about to be a arm and a leg for something. We're still gonna look. So they have clothes, souvenirs, hats and all of that. So let me show you guys. Wow, $20 for the mirror, guys. $20 for the mirror. $6 for this. $3 for the sweet, yeah. Oh, if you move, I'm not $3. Hello. So guys, I'm now at the Alaska Seafood Grill. I'm gonna get some lunch. So guys, I'm about to order something off of this. So yeah. And getting a drink. Nothing too zesty. So guys, we're just gonna eat and relax ourselves. But until then, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I grab the TikTok uploads another video. Bye.